I just stepped outside to see if I could still see the moon because it's going to be a full moon tomorrow, but it was rather bright with some clouds around it a little earlier this morning. It's dropped further below the horizon, so it's not out there, but it is cold out there, and I sort of got a high from smelling that bread from Schwabel's because the atmosphere is somewhat static. Not a lot of winds. 13 is our temperature, and that 13 degrees is 6 degrees colder than usual for this time of day, and our high 26 will be 6 degrees colder than usual for this time of year for this afternoon. As we look at the wind chill, it feels like 5 degrees, but in other cases where the winds are calm, it feels like whatever the current temperature is. So it's not an extremely windy morning, and the wind chill isn't a major factor in our weather for today. At least it's not below zero. But here is this impressive storm, and it's moving up from the south, but it's going to take a northeasterly move, so it's not going to affect us directly. However, as we zoom on in, you'll see it'll affect Pittsburgh for sure. They're expecting at least 1 to 3 inches, if not more there, and it gets close to East Liverpool as well. Now, you know, those dividing lines, it just doesn't stop there like that. So that snow is going to be moving up, and we'll look at Future Tracker to see if we can pinpoint it. Radar is dry at this point. Here's Future Tracker, 8 o'clock tonight, and this is the first line of snow that we see around East Liverpool. But now the updated one has the snow moving up a little bit further, up to Columbiana and getting closer to Youngstown, and that's by 10 o'clock. Then by, 10:30, it moves out of here again just down to East Liverpool. So that line that shoots up for a while into Mahoney County doesn't last very long. We'll get some light snow out of that, maybe some more snow around, around midnight, and then we get a break in the snow until we hit the afternoon hours for East Liverpool. Around 12:30, you see it developing once again. Around 3 o'clock, a little snow, and then it moves out. So that's the way it checks out. East Liverpool looks like they'll get the most snow out of this. Mostly cloudy, high of 26 for today, then our low tonight of 18 with a chance of snow. And the snow that East Liverpool is going to get is probably only going to be a couple of inches. As for Sunday, dry, 33 degrees, much warmer there Monday, high of 37. Temperatures staying in the 30s, wet with that chance of snow into Friday, and then it starts cooling down on Friday with a high of 26.